Hey guys, Shine here from Apple Pro Insider. Today we'll be fixing an iPad 2 which is bricked. Means it won't boot to its OS, it'll keep on showing its Apple logo and shutting down. So, first we need to enter recovery mode. For entering recovery mode, if you have still charged on your iPad, you can just hold on to the power button like over here, like you actually look over here, click on the power button and the home button at the same time, and then once the iPad shuts down, keep on holding it till the Apple logo shows. Release the power button and then keep on holding the home button, okay? Then you enter this, it'll show this screen which it shows you to connect this to a computer, which is iTunes. So then, take your cable and attach it to a Mac or PC which has iTunes. Mostly Macs have those iTunes you can download for Windows. You can download it, connect it to your Mac, and it's gonna identify. It's gonna show that there's a problem with your iPad that requires it to be updated or restored. So then, you just click on the restore, or if you want to you can also choose restore and update. I think it's gonna the latest version for the iPad 2 is for iOS 9.3.5. You can install it, but you'll lose all data doing this. So as you can see, it shows up all this, the serial number, and it's in recovery mode. It's right over here. If you click on the download, it's going to download it. It'll take around a few minutes as it's like 1.4 gigabytes. After that, it's going to install by itself and boot into the setup page, like how you'll use it as a new iPad if you choose a restore. So most of the time the data goes, but if you actually do it on an old MacBook where you had backup data, it's going to bring back the data. So you won't lose anything. I'll be speeding up this process and I'll show you once the restore and update is done.
A few minutes later.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications to get notified when I post new videos.